Commencing briefing. Operation Sky High.
What?
OPHIS has got us started. Please proceed.
Of course. During Operation Dead City, we identified the whistleblower as OPHIS Commander Loeb. Loeb directed us to the Kalama building, a skyscraper in downtown Semi. Poe, your mission is to infiltrate the building, find out what OPHIS are hiding there.
Your insertion point will be the building's rooftop. But err on the side of caution. IR satellite scans have come up empty again. OPHIS may have more than just mechanized units up their sleeve.
The ETA on the SLAM's launch is 6 days. We need a location team.
Trust in Eyes. She's already developing well beyond expectations.
It's too soon for that. But Poe was a soldier, tried and tested. We're going to drop you in now. Good luck. Kalama building. 10 years ago, this was the jewel in Kazakhstan's eye.
Now it's just a wart on China's side.
Poe, head for the elevator on the far side of the rooftop.
Funny, now that we're on site, Eyes is detecting activity on level 37. OPHIS definitely have some kind of interference system in place.
Anyone else got anything?
Activity on level 37 just spiked. Must be our next lead. Blueprints of the Kalama building indicate this elevator runs express to level 34. According to Eyes, we can reach the upper levels via a high-security checkpoint at the other end of this floor. Checkpoint is secured by 3 terminals.
Access them, deactivate the system, and take the stairwell to level 37. Waypoints will lead the way. Would you look at that? This used to be a call center.
Maybe it still is, full of OPHIS's own personal bunch of cold callers.
Bypassing enemy systems.
Who was that?
Nice one. Only partial access. Find another terminal.
Bypassing enemy systems. Intel received. Locate the final terminal.
Eyes, you... Oh, she's right. Oh, look for that third terminal.
Waiting for.
Better get back to it.
Bypassing enemy systems.
That's it. Eyes isolated the security protocols and bypassed them.
Poe, head for the security checkpoint and get upstairs.
sure.
The boss is gonna crush them. They're as good as dead.
Espire Operative. Mission progress saved.
Is that? Are we being recorded? Dector?
It's an external broadcast. I've got no control.
Inform Director Chow. Espire might be compromised.
Copy that. This is the Hong Kong Embassy.
What are the odds?
Well, now it's some kind of lab.
A Mark 1. Be careful.
Keep a low profile. Nice. Eyes just flagged an elevator that leads to level 37. Here's hoping our robotic friend isn't the lift attendant. Oh god, Eyes says the Mark 1 has a weak point on its back. It's best not to engage this thing. Try to sneak past it to the elevator.
Mechanized hostile detected.
Another Mark 1. Get back! Elevator's on its way. Just hold on a little longer. The elevator's here. Quick, get in.
Mission progress saved.
Alright, computational periscopy and time of flight imaging shows activity dead ahead.
In other words, we're closing in on the signal. Get ready, Poe.
Signal origin located. Movement and weapons locked.
It's Loeb. Eyes, put me through. Loeb, we're getting you out of here.
Keep your distance. Ball, she infected me.
Infected? Is the slam carrying a chemical weapon?
Yes, we must move. Ball sends units to check on me constantly.
Fine. Follow Espire and do as you're told. Got it?
Roger that, Colonel Paya.
Movement unlocked. Weapons unlocked.
Poe, escort Loeb back up to the roof.
Bloody hell.
Who were these people?
Oh no, not now. Espire, stay back.
It's the infection. Poe, help her up. Carry her if you have to.
All personnel, stay frosty. Enemy location is...
What just happened?
I don't know. Poe, possess another unit. Get back in there.
unknown.
Christ, what am I seeing?
Jesus. Loeb's body, it's acting like a short-range EMP.
Eliminate Loeb.
What on... We will do no such thing. Dector, keep eyes under control.
I'll dive into our parameters right away.
Poe, get Loeb to the roof. Extraction is on the way. Baker would spin in her grave if she saw us working with Loeb.
I'll take the vents. Clear a path for me below.
Those utility mechs, they're sleeping.
They'll activate if there's any disturbances in the area. They're also heavily armed. Tread carefully. The vent isn't complete. I can't get...
Loeb, where will the slam be fired from?
Don't know. They pushed...
Who created this virus?
Our own Chafra Santayana. Tox.
Have any other commanders jumped the fence?
No. You'll need to fix the vent again for me. Be careful.
Analysis complete. Utility mechs have the same weak spot as a Mark 1. Handy.
Why did they do this to you?
Vol wanted to halt automation in its tracks, but her methods... This virus would destroy the family I have created. My drones, my babies. I tried to stop her, so she decided to infect me with the same virus that will kill them. Here, again. The vent's not finished.
Don't worry. Scanners are tracking low. That vent loops back to the stairwell. Keep moving. In 2028, Semi hit a population of 1 million. Now OPHIS lives in its corpse.
Says here, worker caravans left to the south and east towards population centers.
If you ask me, just means there wasn't enough tech around these parts. Tech always carries the jobs. Booby-trapped. Hope you're good at gymnastics, Poe.
Mission progress saved.
Nobody activated the mines. Neat.
HQ, Loeb is not in quarantine. Over.
Received. Send 2 teams to investigate. Don't let her escape.
Command, we've got one authorized lift access. Investigating now.
Hostiles inbound.
Eyes peeled. Who knows where they are? Empty.
Here! At last! Where are your people? Oh no. I think that's...
General Bull, prisoner located. Kulama building rooftop.
Espire, it's really you. So glad you could join us. Now please, quit this fool's errand while you're ahead. Shira! I thought I told you to stay in your bed. Doctor's orders. Lima 3 Tango, use the EMP coils to rig Loeb up for extraction.
No!
Tail, escort Lima 3 Tango to drop off Point Zeta. Drones are being deployed to keep Espire busy.
You've got it, boss.
No! Leave my babies alone!
Poe, don't let them escape with Loeb. Just like old times. Good work, Poe.